Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the tentacle stitch. It's great for making any type of creature with tentacles, including baby Cthulhu. Roar! So let's go ahead and get started. For this, I've already started my foundation. Doesn't really matter how many chains or double crochets you have or anything like that. For this, I just did 10. I lied, I did 9. So we'll go ahead and chain 1, and I'm gonna just double crochet till I find the middle of my work. So this is how we do the tentacle stitch. You do just like a normal double crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. And then for this, you can do any multiples that you want. For my project, I did multiples of 20. So let's go ahead and chain 20. And then we'll double crochet all the way back up, which will actually give us 19 stitches. So in the second chain from the hook, go ahead and double crochet all the way back. 18, and this one makes 19. So then in your next stitch, go ahead and double crochet in and chain 20. Alright, and then double crochet back just like the first. And you will end up repeating this as many times as you need for how many tentacles you want to have on this row. Alright, and 19. So see how your work kind of just like flips itself the wrong way. Just make sure that you are double crocheting where you need to. So we finished this tentacle, we're just going to go into the next stitch, double crochet, and just like before, go ahead and chain 20, then double crochet back up, and you'll have 19 stitches. 19. And then the last of your row, go ahead and just insert your hook and double crochet all the way to the end of your row. So this is how it'll look to start off. So go ahead and turn your work, chain 1, and work your double crochets until you come to your first tentacle. So you see how the tentacle where we went down and back up, you have this hole right here. So what you want to do is actually insert your hook into that hole, yarn over and pull through and pull through. So we'll do that again in the next. You don't want to go here, you want to go in between right here. Alright, and we'll do it one more time. Insert your hook through that hole and do your double crochet. And then we'll just do and finish our double crochet. All the way across. So what this ends up doing is it pulls through your yarn so there's no gaps. So no stuffing will show through. So this is the back side, the front. This is how your tentacles will look. And then if you lift it up, you'll see how nice and closed that is. That way, any project you're doing, the stuffing doesn't show, or what's behind this doesn't show. Even though the tentacles hide it, I think it just makes it look a little bit cleaner. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and if you feel so inclined, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a happy crochet tentacle day.